Okay, New York session done. Took one trade on NZDUSD. NZDUSD, hard time frame breakout levels all bearish. We've flipped the monthly breakout level, a monthly breakout high. We flipped it. So whenever you flip those breakout levels, this turns into a peak formation, and you don't want to be trading against it. You want to trade away from it. So coming down from the monthly, we've also broken out below the monthly low. So monthly traders are in breakout. Weekly traders last week closed as a bearish breakout, and we're below the week breakout level, as well as below the week open. But we've also triggered the previous week low. That's a bullish signal. That's a weak breakout reversal. We faked out the previous week low below that breakout level. Um, so weekly traders are bullish. I don't want to go against that unless I get a lower time frame fake out. So in this case, the lower time frame is the daily. Previous day high fake out allows me to sell against this weekly move. This tells me the momentum of the market is reversing, and so that allows me to go against this weekly move. So took a sell on this. Higher time frame confluence pushing down. What I liked about this inside day, price came up, faked out the previous day high, faked out the H8 high, got below the day breakout level. I love how the last H8 closed as a bullish breakout. So the reason why I like the H8 to close as a breakout is because it pushes up the breakout level. Previously it was down here, but whenever you have breakout of the H8, it pushes up the breakout level, and usually that means that the peak is nearby. So when the peak gets faked out, a lot of times the breakout level will get flipped as well. These breakout levels, the flip of the breakout level only happens at swing points, and the best trades are always going to be at swing points on every single time frame. Um, that flip of the breakout level only happens at swing points, and best trades are only going to happen at swing points. The best swing points will always have a run up of a couple breakout bars. So you can just look with your eyes to see best ones will always have one or two breakouts before it reverses. And that's why a lot of trend trading strategies have these breakout levels, number of breakouts and then reversing. It's because these swing points, the best ones, will always have a run up of breakouts. So that's why I love having that breakout level, breakout bar at the last H8, fakes out the peak, and then gets right below that breakout level. So entered this on the M15 straight when all these levels get taken out. And I'm looking to trade this all the way down to the previous day low. I'll see how it looks like at the low of the day right here at the previous week low. And otherwise, I'm just going to let it run. And that's it. So again, taking this because hard time frames are bearish. Faked out the previous day high, faked out all these levels here, faked out that breakout level. Again, these breakout levels only happen at swing points. Best trade setups are always going to be at swing points. Hard time frames are all bearish. So yeah, that's why I took it. Don't usually trade Forex in New York, but I did not see anything else. Indices just stayed in a range this whole time. There was mixed bias on this. On NAS, we flipped that breakout level, so I was actually bullish on this. But we're also straddling this previous month high and previous week high level. So can't decide, which way it wants to go. So I'm just going to let this play out, and did not get involved in this. This is crazy to get involved in. I think SPX kind of did the same thing. The index side I liked the most was actually US 30. US 30 closed as a bullish breakout day. We're above that breakout level. Last H8 close is bearish breakout. So again, I love having that last H8 close and breakout. Again, what that does is it pushes the breakout level closer to the peak, and that allows me to take a trade. Usually one move will take out both of them. In this case, it did right before NY Equity Open, but then NY Equity Open initially it pushed up. Thought that I might have missed this trade, but lucky it just pushed down, and or lucky for me, I'm sure there are some people buying this that got taken out, but lucky for me, I didn't enter. I don't usually enter that first minute or so, or first 5 minutes. I usually just let it play out. Came down, got below the breakout level, and then after that, I was waiting for the move back up. Yeah, If we stay below this breakout level, I'm bearish on it, but I don't really want to be, you know, not so much room to that previous day low. The other thing is I would rather be selling, even though are we at all-time highs? I think we might be at all-time highs. Even though we're at all-time highs, I still would rather be buying this. Yeah, don't see any reason to be selling it. Did fake out the high here, but yeah, I would rather be buying this. And so, yeah, so decided not to get involved on US 30. Gold, it's too high up for me. I was waiting for a fake out of the high to take it down, but yeah, it didn't present itself. GJ didn't do anything that I liked. Kind of um, a bit kind of smooth, but lots of levels here, so not easy to see. Took a nice trade on D30. I exited as price reversed right close to my previous, right close to my TP. Oil hit my TP. Nice trade on that. Actually, the one I liked in New York was actually silver. I was waiting for silver to come up and fake out the previous week high or fake out the previous month high, fake it out to take it down. Um, it's bullish, so rather be buying, but I don't want to buy right into that previous month high. So was waiting for a fake out, but yeah, market's not doing anything. So usually when I don't see anything on the core pairs, I start looking at forex, and that's why I ended up with NZDUSD. Did not see. Oh, USD CAD looks like it was a nice one. Okay, so all these other ones don't like, but USD CAD. Let me have a look. Didn't see that. Looks like it might have been a breakout. Okay, so hard time frames all bullish, above previous month high, above previous week high. Um, Peak formation on the monthly broke out. It's been ranging all this time, so this would be a nice breakout move. Yeah, so this would have been a nice move to take. A nice breakout move. Did not see this. I think I was focused on something else. Could have taken this straight off the one bar over here. Let me see. Are we trading right into something? There's a monthly range here. Inside bar in the month creates a range, but we've already kind of tapped both sides of it. So yeah, well, this would have been a nice breakout, one bar breakout. Could have taken that previous H8 high and previous day high breakout. No target previous year high, I guess, would be trailing this maybe high of the week right here. But yeah, did not see that. And yeah, I think when I looked at it, I just saw this and I assumed that it would break out, but I didn't, wasn't really paying attention. I don't usually like to trade Forex in New York. But anyways, that's it. I only took that NU trade, and let's see if it wants to go. And that's it. We'll get off the charts now. Have a good weekend. Nothing else moving. Didn't miss anything. Okay. Yeah. That's it. Have a good weekend, guys.